All right, the drink we're about to make is called Absolut Lemonade. Now, I wouldn't suggest setting up a stand and having one of your little ones sell this on the street, but you can enjoy it in the bar. So let's make one for you. Put some ice in a glass, and we're going to do 1 shot of Absolut Citron. There we go. And also 1 shot of Amaretto. There we go. Follow that up with 2 ounces of sour mix. There we are. And a little bit of Sprite. Actually, let's go ahead and mix these together. With the carbonation and the Sprite, you're better off not do it before you mix it. Now we can go ahead and dump it in. Any lemon lime beverage will do. And set up a glass. And here we go. Absolut Lemonade. Straw and you're ready. Bottoms up.